Good morning, BC. Well, MTN Nigeria single-handedly lifted the market yesterday with its 2.4% gain, and that lifted the market by 0.31% to 25,654.90 points, while the equity cap was higher at 13.407 trillion naira. Now, the volume was higher yesterday as we saw 262.04 million units worth 4.39 billion naira traded in 3,254 deals. I'd like to point out that Zenith Bank was the most traded stock by volume, while MTN Nigeria accounted for about 1.59 billion naira of the total value traded. Now look at this. All the sectors were negative yesterday. Banking was down 0.60%. Consumer goods, industrial goods, insurance, and oil and gas all declined yesterday. So that just goes to show that MTN really lifted the market yesterday. For the oil and gas sector, that was due to the 1.7% decline on O&O. The unlisted securities market was negative yesterday, and that was due to profit taking, as we had seen that market gain in previous sessions. It was down 0.25% at 727.03 points, while the market cap was at 535.05 billion naira. We saw about 11.14 million units. Now, activity was higher yesterday, worth 22.85 million naira, and all of that was traded in 11 deals. Let's just quickly look at the fixed income market. The bond market was bullish yesterday. It was mixed, but with bullish sentiment as people were, or investors were paying attention to the PMA today, where the CBN will be offering about 145 billion naira worth of instruments. But I hear Mr. Olayinka is back with us. Good morning, Mr. Tajudeen Olayinka.
Good morning, Gideon.
Could you just quickly tell us how are traders reacting to the CBN's MPC decision yesterday of lowering rates?
Yeah, well, even prior to that, you will have seen that the last 5 trading days have been, somewhat positive. So we expect to see more positive movement, for the time being, even though there are still other issues to be resolved by the CBN. But this step they are taking will surely, move some funds from, the insurance investors like the PFAs and the other key investors in the market to the equity side of the market. So we expect to see, positive movement from that rate cut.
Okay, so yesterday, MTN, lifted the market with its 2.4% gain. Can you tell us what was responsible for that?
In fact, MTN should have even been higher than that. But I think it's just because of the sluggish state of the market or the pensive nature of activities in the market that is playing it down. It's a communication company, and this is the time that some of them are actually returning good income. So we want to try to see something more positive in MTN and other communication stocks. What happened was not unusual. It's synonymous with the current status of that institution, that company and several other companies in that industry.
Mr. Olayinka, could you just tell us what are the opening calls like this morning in the market?
Market is it's still a bit flat, 0.02% last time I checked, but currently it's still a bit, it's still just a little up. It's about flat for now.
All right, Mr. Olayinka, thank you for your input on the program. Tajudeen Olayinka is a stockbroker at Valmont Securities. Well, we'll leave it there for now. Over to you, BC.
Yes, indeed, DJ, and we'll get back to you in just a moment for the debt and currencies market. Plus, we'll see what's happening in London as well. Do stay with us.